In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts in Notion using your Notion data. Navigating through Notion can seem overwhelming at first, but adding visual data representations like charts can really simplify your workspace and bring your data to life. So let's get started on creating a chart step by step. The first thing you need to do is open up your Notion workspace. Make sure you're logged in and you can see your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to find your database. This is where your data is stored and ready to be visualized. Your database should appear as a table or a list, depending on how you've set it up. If you're unable to locate it immediately, try using the search feature in the sidebar to find it quickly. Once your database is open, look closely at the top of the database view, and you'll notice a small plus icon, usually positioned to the right of the current view name. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, look for and select Chart. This may feel a bit like hunting for treasure, but trust me, it's there. Now the exciting part. Choosing the type of chart you want to visualize your data with. Notion offers a selection of different chart types, so think about what kind of data you have and how you'd like to see it displayed. Whether it's a bar chart, pie chart, or line chart, pick the one that best suits your needs and data set. Once you've made your selection, a configuration window will appear. This is where you will set your x-axis and y-axis properties using the fields in your database. Think of the x-axis as your horizontal line, usually representing a progression of data like time or sequence, and the y-axis as your vertical line representing the value or range. By assigning your data fields appropriately, you're laying the groundwork for a clear and insightful chart. Okay, so your basic chart is set up. But why stop there? Customization is key to making the chart truly useful and tailored to your needs. You can add filters to focus on specific data points, sort the data to prioritize certain information, and adjust the appearance so it matches your aesthetic preferences. Whether it's tweaking the colors or modifying the chart size, these small customizations make a big difference in readability and impact. There you go. By following these steps, you've successfully added a chart to your Notion workspace using your data. Not only have you organized your data visually, but you've also enhanced your ability to analyze and interpret your data at a glance. With practice, you'll be a pro at integrating visual tools into Notion in no time. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to try adding a few different charts to see what works best for your project.